be like, God, how dare you, bitch! Shut up!
Sir, touch me again. That's battery on a Leo. I'm not gonna do that today.
Hey, come on! Breathe! Hey, I did not move! Shut the f*** up! I did not move in 30 fucking minutes! Big! Oh my God.
Have you ever ignored a budget only to face the consequences later? That's what happened when Karen decided to overspend and soon learned a hard lesson about why sticking to a budget is so important. Let's start with this student who has a severe meltdown over a $125 food bill. In March 2021, a tumultuous scene unfolded at a local taco restaurant in Florida when two women found themselves at the center of a heated dispute over a $125 food bill. The evening began with the women attempting to leave the restaurant without settling their bill. The restaurant manager, frustrated by the situation, contacted 911 to involve law enforcement. Upon arrival, officers discovered that the women, after initially refusing to pay, had attempted to refund the meal by disparaging the food quality.
Hey, you leaving or not?
You want to Yeah, I'm gonna leave. You gonna leave? Yeah. When you leave, I'll leave. No. Please.
Get him out of here.
Okay.
Now, go ahead and get your friend out of here.
Come on.
Hey.
No. Hold on. No. I see.
Yo.
No.
I'm gonna give you that one. Do you guys know him?
I don't know. I'm not just from here. I don't know it though. We're not from here, so you don't know.
Hey, either get your friend or no, get over there right now. No, I need you to go over there. Right now. 1 second. Right now, get her out of here.
Their behavior escalated as they harassed other patrons and, in an unusual and disruptive act, bit into a customer sandwich. This aggressive conduct further complicated the officers' efforts to address the situation.
16-year-old male.
Are
you dumb? Shut the f*** up.
That's it. She's going. Come on, she's going.
No, please. Yeah, time for that shit.
That's it.
No, she's drunk.
That's it. You got it?
No, she's drunk. She's drunk. Don't abuse a woman. She's drunk.
Step back.
She's drunk. No, let's fucking drunk. Climb on my back.
Back up.
But she's drunk.
Back up.
She's drunk.
Back up, you're going
She's
to.
drunk. I'm not. I promise you, God won't punish me.
Back up, or you're going to.
I promise you.
Back up, or you're going
God
to.
won't punish me.
Back up, or you're going to.
I'm good. I'm good.
Set up.
God got me. God will punish you. Don't touch me.
Back up, or you're going to.
Is this yours?
No, it's you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Is that your purse? Is this yours?
No.
Is this hers?
My
Is this hers?
car.
Is this
I need to go
hers?
home.
Is this hers? Is that hers?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Go that way.
Don't touch me. That's touching you.
All right. Stand up.
That's the right.
The situation worsened when the officers were preparing to leave. Both women emerged from the restaurant's bathroom and continued their erratic behavior. They confronted the restaurant staff and police, making threats and refusing to comply with directives. Their actions included shouting, insulting, and making physical threats, which exacerbated the already tense situation.
They will ever prosper. Their kids will prosper. Their kids will die. Their kids will die. Kids will die in the cement like that. Die like that. Your kids will never be a son, and you will die. Your kids will be like, are you dumb? Are you dumb? Your kids will be seen like, are you dumb? Are you dumb? Your kids will be like that. Are they dumb? They're gonna be like, are you dumb?
You get a vehicle or a wagon. Swell the notion.
Nah, nigga, y'all even know how to speak. Nigga, I even know fun, that mob car, they won't ever succeed. That shit gonna die. You're gonna die. They gonna ever make feed in this career. People motherfuckers.
Hey.
Stupid motherfucker. Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
God don't punish them. God died for the dead.
No, take over with
I came from work. God, please punish all them.
As a result of their actions, the women were charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Their legal troubles intensified when they failed to appear for their court dates, which led to additional charges and complications. The women also missed their pre-trial program requirements, leading to further legal issues. They now face the possibility of increased penalties and complications from ongoing legal proceedings, including their plans to sue the police department for alleged mistreatment.
No, I don't sit down.
Before I sit you down.
You pay for my ass on the deck. You pay my ass for the deck. I said
What's
go
your name? What's your
down on the
name?
deck. I said go Angela.
Can you do me a favor? Can you sit down?
I said go down on the deck. I said fuck these niggas. You come here for my ancestors. You come here for my ancestors.
Your ancestors? Who's your ancestor?
Who brought you bitches over here? Don't play with me. I said you go. Okay, let me go. No, I'm a graduate student. I got my graduate degree.
What's your name?
Sure, Angela. Graduate student, FIU.
Okay, do me a favor. This is what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Explain everything that's going on to you. Since
Okay.
you're a graduate student,
Yeah.
you're an intelligent young lady. I'm gonna talk to you.
Of course.
Alright?
Same way. Okay.
Please.
Please.
Okay. So the
I
officer
pay how much for my school? You pay me the same way.
no clue.
I'm gonna talk about whoever you work with. Okay.
You in the car.
Okay. And you gonna pay for it.
I'm gonna pay for it. I'll
Okay.
pay for it personally.
Promise you. Promise you.
Promise I'll pay for it.
Promise you. I promise you. Whole family. I promise you.
As a result of their actions, the women were charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Their legal troubles intensified when they failed to appear for their court dates, which led to additional charges and complications. The women also missed their pre-trial program requirements, leading to further legal issues. They now face the possibility of increased penalties and complications from ongoing legal proceedings, including their plans to sue the police department for alleged mistreatment.
What property are you here to pick up?
I think my debit card and my phone and my hair that I had on was
Okay.
in there, but I don't know.
So what does the phone look like? What brand is it?
It's a blue iPhone, my debit card, and a blonde wig.
Okay. Tell me the circumstances of the arrest.
So I was with someone that I met down South Beach, a female,
Okay.
and she said
Do you know her name or no?
Her name.
Okay.
She said she was hungry. I work as a. She said she was hungry. I purchased me and her food.
Okay.
All of a sudden, I don't know what she did, but she was outside getting arrested, and I was trying to help her because they were like throwing her on the ground and like being very abusive towards her.
Okay.
So that's why I was just trying to like stop them from abusing her. And then I got this on me, which I'm headed to the hospital now. I'm going to file a lawsuit and I'm going to file a complaint. So that's what happened, and they arrested me for what is the charge? For trying to resist arrest to an officer or interference, something like that.
Okay.
Then when they took me to TJK, the driver that's listed, whoever that officer was that took me to TJK, he was a man, and I was sitting in the back of the car with the girl and somebody else, and they kept us in the back car for 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
So then when he finally got me off the car, I said, I have an attorney, I'm from Washington, D.C., and at this point my hand was bleeding. I said, I need medical attention. So he did not give me medical attention, and he left me in the van for 3 hours. So I said, okay, well, my father's an attorney, and I'm going to sue. So at that point, I have 2 more charges after that.
Okay. So let's see if I can find the phone and then we'll go from there. How's that?
Do you need the charger?
Well, let me see if the phone has any battery and then we'll go from there.
It was like 10%, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, maybe it turned it off. We'll see.
Okay.
From a legal perspective, the women's actions violated several laws. In Florida, disorderly conduct is addressed under Florida statutes chapter 877.03, which defines disorderly conduct as acts that disrupt the peace and safety of the community, including public disturbances. Penalties for disorderly conduct can include fines and imprisonment, typically up to 60 days in county jail or fine of up to $500. Resisting arrest, addressed under Florida Statutes Chapter 843.02, involves knowingly and willfully obstructing or resisting a law enforcement officer during the execution of their duties. This can result in a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and fines of up to $5,000. The women's refusal to comply with officers and their aggressive behavior directly contributed to these charges. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. Palm Coast, Florida, on April 1st, 2023, a high-profile incident unfolded at a luxury resort in Palm Coast, Florida, when Flagler County officers responded to a disturbance involving a woman in an intoxicated state. The woman, identified as Susan, was reportedly enraged after her husband lost $3 million in gambling. Her anger manifested in violent behavior, leading to a significant police intervention. The situation began at the resort's bar, where Susan was seen physically assaulting her husband. Her aggression was reportedly fueled by the substantial financial loss incurred by her husband, which added to her volatile state. As the disturbance escalated, resort security personnel attempted to de-escalate the situation by escorting Susan to the lobby. Despite their efforts, Susan's aggression continued, and she proceeded to assault both the security staff and her husband.
You ready? You ready?
Came over here about an hour ago, had a couple glasses of wine.
Really?
Husband's here behind you, trying to take a punch. You refuse to leave.
You really?
Alright, where are you staying at?
I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I live here.
Are you
I'm her husband.
your better half? You gonna get her home safely?
If I can get her to the car.
Yeah. I live here.
No,
I live here.
Hey man, I want you to be quiet for me for just a moment, okay?
I'm great for obvious reasons.
You motherfucking screw me.
Listen, I'm Deputy Logs from the Sheriff's Office. You're gonna go with your husband. You're gonna call it a night, okay? You're gonna go. If you cause any further disturbance, you're gonna be drunk and disorderly. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. No, I'm not here to argue. You're gonna go with your husband. Understood? Let's stand up. Let's go. It's time for you to go, ma'am. Go with your husband, okay? He's gonna get you home safe.
Are you kidding me? Are you
Having a good day so far. Let's keep it that way, okay? You're gonna go with your husband.
kidding me?
Absolutely. We told you multiple times.
Are you
Park down here. I wonder if we'll let
Okay, come on, let's go. What's your name?
Susan.
Susan, this way, Susan. Susan.
Are you kidding me?
You guys have a wheelchair?
97 at the time,
Susan.
Shut the
Alright, if we get just somewhere we
Has
can.
a wheelchair.
Susan.
Shut up!
Susan, you touch me again, I'm gonna let that slide. You touch me again, that's battery on a wheel. I'm not gonna do that today. Susan. We're gonna arrange for a ride and we're gonna go home.
Oh my gosh!
That's all right, I just need to, just so I can say I've dealt with her.
You fucking piece
I'll take her name and date of birth. Susan, you're gonna remain seated, okay?
Shut up! Oh my god! How dare you do this to me?
211, I'm 1012. If you hit your husband one more time, you're gonna go to jail. Understood?
Shut up! You
That's it.
piece of shit.
Hey,
When officers arrived on the scene, they found Susan behaving aggressively and uncooperatively. Despite repeated warnings about her disorderly conduct, Susan remained confrontational. Her behavior escalated to physical violence against the officers themselves, leading to her arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer. Susan was then taken to a local hospital for a medical evaluation to ensure she was fit for incarceration before being transported to jail.
stand up. I'm sorry, I gotta arrest her. Okay? She hit you. She hit me. How much you had to drink today, Susan?
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Kick me again. Stop.
Hey, stop it. You're going to get into like much trouble, Susan.
Oh, I've already been in trouble.
To him.
You better stop.
You're her husband, right? Susan.
Shut up!
Sit down.
Shut up!
Trouble. You better
Shut up! Oh, I guess I'm already in trouble.
Susan,
I
stop.
don't care. Shut him. Shut him.
No one is getting shot. That's not. No, you need to stop.
George, I'm done with you.
I parked all the way up.
Deal with it.
I'm gonna go to my car.
All right, come on.
Okay.
Use the papers. Take it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, no. Okay, we can.
One foot in front of the other.
Okay, no.
In my
I know. Constantly hold on. Oh God, this is gonna kill me. I mean, I promise
Maybe
you.
next time we won't drink so much, right?
Yeah, I promise.
Yeah, that's probably
I
Susan, all you
promise.
had to do was listen.
not coffee.
You think she would have passed out?
No.
But I don't know that.
They
If further violence would have happened.
You guys
So-
don't make.
All right, Susan, you're gonna sit back here for a moment, okay? Then we're gonna go to my card. I decided to get my steps in there parked in the
I get it.
legs. Can you get in there?
Honestly.
So, Susan, here's what's gonna happen, okay?
During her transport to jail, Susan expressed considerable frustration over her arrest. She blamed her husband's gambling losses for her outburst and directed her anger towards the police and the legal system. Susan criticized the handling of her situation, questioned the strength and resilience of the officers, and expressed her displeasure with Florida's legal system. Her comments highlighted her dissatisfaction with the consequences she faced and reflected a broader frustration with the arrest process.
Either my partner's gonna go around the other side, we're gonna pull you in, or you can sit in there like a grown adult, okay? I get you're intoxicated, but you're gonna be a grown adult right now. In. All right, are we in? This is your opportunity because you've had a high amount of alcohol today. I want to make sure you don't need to be seen by a doctor, okay? So put your legs out. We just did. Come on. Come on. All right, Susan. Just have a seat. Yes, you're going to jail.
Why?
Because you battered me, you battered your husband. You want to put your feet up on that? Look, feet up there. Put your feet on that.
So did he actually charge me with domestic violence?
Delta 212, 1065 is signal 17.
Well, what did you observe?
Delta 221, status check.
I can't find my shoes.
Delta 221, status check.
Oh,
Delta 221, status check.
are we going there? You think they'll let me make a phone call when I get there?
Yeah, they will.
Oh, that's good. Are you sure? Yeah. Well, you seem optimistic. You seem very optimistic. What?
That's why I like to make a couple phone calls if you're nice.
No way. A couple?
For sure. I don't know. I don't work for kids, so
Huh.
I've never been arrested.
Lucky you. I guess you've never been married.
No, I haven't.
Well, don't do it. I'll tell you, it's trouble. It's nothing but trouble. I sure hope they let me make a phone call. I sure hope my son picks up. I think he will. You know, once I get out of here, I've got to go. And you know what? No offense to anyone, but I'm going to tell. And I don't even go on social media because I hate social media. I'm not a gossipy kind of person. I don't like any of that kind of stuff. But I will go online and tell everyone I know, don't go to Florida or your life will. It's just. I'm a Catholic girl. I never committed a crime in my entire life. And I've been in jail about 9 times in Florida. And I guess if I ever get out of this mess, I'm going to have to tell everyone, do not go to Florida. You'll wind up in jail for nothing. Because this place is crazy. It's crazy. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? I'm like fucking 90 pounds. If I hit a guy, Lucy hit Ricky. Oh, come on. Man up, man. Guys can take it. What, are you kidding? You can't handle a woman hitting you? Well, then you better fucking go back to the drawing board. Because I'll tell you, man, guys used to be strong. I don't know what they are now. I guess they're all gay and they all want to be trannies. Guys used to be strong. Guys used to be strong. You could handle a woman. I mean, come on. Do you know what George did to me? Do you even want me to tell you what George did to me? We had $3 million like in our pocket, and he blew it all over and over and over and over again. He lost all of our money. We would have been down here, living large, feeling good. And you know what? I never, ever, ever, ever blamed him. Never. I never blamed him. Because I understand how it goes. I understand. Why can't men understand? Why is it that whenever I get upset, I get arrested? Isn't it funny how men get upset and they lose millions of dollars and I never say anything? Never. I never say anything. But the one time I get upset, cops come. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? What does that tell you? I'm 90 pounds on a wet day. You can knock me out with one punch. And don't think I don't know it. So you have to drag me to jail. You have to lock me up. Because you're so fucking afraid of me. You're so afraid of me.
Susan's actions led to multiple legal violations under Florida law. The primary charge against her was battery on a law enforcement officer, Florida. Stat. SS 784.07, a felony that criminalizes the willful touching or striking of an officer. The penalties for this offense can be severe, including imprisonment for up to 5 years, fines up to $5,000, or both, depending on the severity of the incident and the individual's criminal history. Additionally, Susan faced charges of battery, Florida. Stat. SS 784.03, which involves intentionally touching or striking another person against their will. This charge is categorized as a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail and fines up to $1,000. If the battery involves multiple victims or significant injury, the charges could be elevated. She was also charged with disorderly conduct, Florida. Stat. SS 877.03, which involves actions that disrupt public order and is classified as a second-degree misdemeanor, carrying potential penalties of up to 60 days in jail and fines up to $500. This woman was wild, but this is not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. In the early hours of December 2021, Seal County officers were dispatched to a residence following a distress call from a mother concerned about her 21-year-old daughter. The mother reported that her daughter had been causing significant turmoil at home after a night of heavy drinking and was months overdue on a $50 rent payment. The situation was initially anticipated to be resolved amicably, but it quickly unraveled into a chaotic confrontation.
Stop! Ariana, you gotta go. The police is here, you gotta go now.
They missed you?
Yeah. Put your clothes on before he has to come in here and get you. Just leave.
Can you come out here real quick? She doesn't hear us?
They had an argument when I was at the store about $50. What 21-year-olds living in a house and paying nothing? I'm doing y'all a favor.
You gotta take her out. That's the only way she's gonna learn. Otherwise, she's gonna be here at 40. So this reoccurring problem?
No, she had a handle on it, and I think something happened at work. And then I told the alcohol, yeah. She doesn't know how to drink really. Probably she overdrank, but she just keeps on.
So yeah, I'm like it.
So I mean, I want her to know that this is true, and she's like, I'm never gonna talk to you again. That's what you feel you have to do. I'm not gonna pick anybody over myself. I'm trying to talk to them. Every time I try to talk to them, it's always Dr. Phil, Dr. Phil. I'm really trying to help them with their trauma because I know it's true. But you're not going to keep treating me like crap, and my boyfriend wants to leave. I don't blame him. Why do we have to deal with this bullshit? And I know she's on the loop because she saved my ex-husband's name. So I know that she's going through her feelings and stuff, but I'm not gonna just let you act this way.
That's what we recommend, is to get her out, just the eviction.
And how long does the eviction process?
Depends on their caseload, how much.
Do you have to pay a fee or something like that? I'm sure.
There's money with everything.
Yeah. She makes more money than go get an apartment and live happily ever after. You make your own money. She's a great girl. She doesn't know what to pay.
She's getting packed, or is she still doing that?
I don't know. I want to see.
Upon arrival, officers were met with a disheveled and inebriated young woman. The daughter was causing a severe disturbance, refusing to comply with her mother's request to leave the house. Her behavior included shouting, resisting police instructions, and making the situation increasingly difficult for the officers to manage. The mother's distress stemmed from not only her daughter's financial irresponsibility, but also the continuous disruption caused by her drunken behavior.
Mind you, I pay bills. So early as in the fucking morning, I'm getting tried because I am doing what I can out of 20 years old, and you will do the same fucking thing. Now, granted, I pay bills.
Stop screaming.
I pay bills. No. I will. I am. But I pay bills. I pay bills now. Granted, I can look crazy all the I want because I'm the one who pays bills. I'm the one who paid cable. I'm the one who's 21 years old. And you can look at my shit. I promise. I will paycheck more other than my mother.
Why is your mouth like?
Other than you. Other than you, and this really is an interaction with my mother. I pay her bills.
$50? Come on, Nana.
I pay her something because she asked me to.
Can you remove
You
her?
say you're 21 years old?
Listen. I'm gonna speak to you seriously. Yo, so I keep out here, 20 years old. She asked me. I will take her to go get. Yo, no, I'm Granted. Granted, listen to me. I'm going to get my fucking. My girl is in there right now packing all my. So granted, I am ready to leave. So you're the youngest fucking age. So I'm gonna relate to him because he is the youngest fucking age. And yes, I am lit. But granted, you will look at my bank account and be like, oh, this is a bitch I shouldn't be fucking with. So granted, my mother has never fucking seen this shit. No, granted.
I understand what you're saying.
Granted, she will leave me out here with no shoes. Shit. I can pay for fucking mortgage. I can pay for this. I can pay for this. All this.
Care about any of that.
Granted.
You're disrespecting her.
No.
Yes, you are.
No. That's the shit. I pay for fucking bills, and I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here by the end of the day, sitting on my TV. Yeah, right now, because I pay bills.
So you're supposed to leave right now.
Granted, yes, right now.
Go pack up and go.
As the officers attempted to de-escalate the situation, the daughter's reaction was combative. She argued with her mother and law enforcement, expressing frustration and defiance. Despite repeated instructions from the police, she refused to obey their commands, escalating the situation further. Her refusal to cooperate led to a physical confrontation, resulting in her arrest. The charges included failure to comply with police orders and assaulting an officer, which were compounded by her aggressive and obstructive behavior.
This is the part.
Okay. Don't be delusional funk because you
Leave.
have utilized a police
Leave
officer.
and don't come back.
You've utilized a
Leave
police officer
and don't
when
come
I was
back.
16 years old.
Did we call?
Yo, call me. Phone.
Come here.
You want to see my bank card?
No, I don't.
You want to see my
No, I
bank
don't.
card? And utilize, but I will walk into the front
Stop.
of the club.
Stop.
Stop resisting, bro.
Because this is the second time you have utilized a cop on my ass. Look, you won't see me move. I'll show you my bank account and this be open. Yo! I'm not slapped by fucking dumb shit. I'm fucking late because I'm literally home. And you like niggas are telling me shit that is not fucking true because I have more money than my fucking mother, bro. Mom, they are literally arresting me again while you utilize a cop as they fucking do the same thing that he did to all of your the fucking children. They got my ass doing the same shit while I have more money than they got. Bro, they should not be utilizing my ass because of you. No, bro.
You're gonna fall. Stop.
Stop fighting. Why are you doing all that?
Because I need more money than that, bro.
You're gonna make this worse.
I don't get.
Stop.
Janisha! Yeah, because you are my mother! You are my mother! And I've literally given her everything she asked for! I make more money than you! I f***ing hustle more than you! And you can't f***ing take that for granted! Because I have a little kid.
Stop.
Hey, bro.
You can't hit your mom.
As lit as I am!
And I don't with the police, bro.
Janisha, as lit as I am!
Come on.
They are now recording. They have literally utilized me already.
Yeah.
You can see the video after at any time
I'm
you
just
want.
trying to help you.
Stop. You have my big account.
Let's go to the car.
Stand up straight. I'm not playing with you. Come on.
Ariana,
Yeah, push me, bro.
worse.
Push me, bro.
No,
Because
you're the one that's pushing.
No, you're not recording. You are not recording.
Come on.
Yo, recording. Be in the car. Recording. You're not, bro. Even the day. So you need to go search with the
Come on. Stand up.
Janisha!
I realized when I was
They're not gonna do it to you, Ariana. I know her name. I know his name. I pay attention to everybody.
Following her arrest, the daughter was sentenced to 2 years of probation. However, her difficulties with compliance continued, as she violated the terms of her probation multiple times. This ongoing legal and behavioral instability highlighted the severity of her initial offenses and the challenges in her path to rehabilitation and adherence to legal standards.
Dude, I'm not moved here. You have no right to put me on a fucking mask when I'm Dude,
You're gonna get charged with battery.
Dude,
You're gonna get charged for battery if you do that.
dude, you have no right to put me in a fucking mask.
Well, see, well,
Just sit. Yo, I got more money than you. You and you combined.
Sit.
Oh, come on.
Breathe. For 2 seconds.
I did not move.
Quiet for 2
Shut the
seconds.
up, because I did not move. I did not move. I did not move for over 30.
From a legal perspective, the daughter's actions constituted multiple violations. Her refusal to obey police orders and physical altercations fall under resisting arrest or failure to comply as outlined in Texas Penal Code Chapter 38, which can lead to a class of misdemeanor, escalating to a felony. Physical confrontation occurs. Additionally, her assault on a police officer is categorized as a third-degree felony under Texas Penal Code Chapter 22, 22.01, due to the victim being a peace officer. Violations of her probation governed by Texas Penal Code Chapter 43 could result in extended probation, fines, or incarceration, depending on the severity and frequency of the breaches. All right, fellas, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and educational contents in the future. Thanks for your support.